The maintenance services unit is always the foremost and proactive in giving the best solution while offering the comprehensive solution as our prime services. I'm Wahyu Triatmojo as Turbine Expert Level 3. Maintenance Services Unit is currently working on one of its expertise, namely the maintenance, repair, and overhaul, working on minor inspection plus 250 megawatt steam turbine power plant and gas turbine pre-blading, which will be complete independently in 22 days.
More than 27 years, Maintenance Services Unit, or MSU, presents to response challenges in the aspect of power plant maintenance. Strengthened by the competent human resources in various expertise aspects, power plant maintenance, and supported by special tools, also certified general overhaul tools in the national and international level.
We are committed to implement Beyond 5 On in every project to ensure the success of business process.
Our maintenance repair overhaul can be implemented excellently by considering every important aspects. Disassembly and assembly are performed by experienced experts, and the supporting tools also be guided to the standard operating procedure, which has equipped with acceptance criteria. The inspection is conducted by inspected every condition of the components in accordance with the expert best practice and manufacturing standard such as ASME, API, ANSI, and ISO.
The reliability and hit rate of power plant machine are indicator of inspection success, and the goal for any inspection is to settle owner satisfaction. Current overhaul also include low speed balancing. Low speed balancing is balancing rotor process with 10% spin from the speed operation. Rotor with capacity up to 125 tons are used in low speed balancing process of gas turbine, steam turbine, and generator rotor. Several low-speed balancing machinery owned by Maintenance Services Unit, including ones with capacities 13 ton, 32 ton, and 125 tons.
Maintenance Services Unit determined to give the best in every works, based on the Akhlak core value, with the excellent motto by collaboration to encourage the company advancement more optimal. We dedicated to help, to guarantee, and to ensure sustainable success your power generator industry.